Number 3. Immerse yourself in a world of luxury at this exceptional hotel. With its well-appointed rooms and top-tier facilities, your stay will be nothing short of perfection. Its prime location makes sightseeing a breeze. Uncover more information, including pricing, in the video description and secure your spot for an unforgettable escape. Number 2. Indulge in the finest hospitality at this remarkable hotel. With its elegant rooms and attentive services, your every need will be catered to. Situated in the heart of the city, you have access to all the must-see attractions. Learn more about this incredible stay and check prices in the video description to book your perfect getaway. Number 1. Discover hidden gem among hotels, where luxury and convenience harmonize beautifully. From its tastefully decorated rooms to its top-notch amenities, this hotel promises a memorable stay. With its central location, exploring the city is effortless. For additional information and pricing, refer to the video description and embark on a journey of unparalleled comfort. Are you tired of spending hours searching for the best flight deals? Well, fret no more. Introducing benxavier.com, your ultimate flight search system powered by artificial intelligence. With benxavier.com, you can sit back and relax as our AI technology scours thousands of airlines and flight booking systems to find you the absolute cheapest flights out there. You can find the link in the video description or just type www.benxavier.com in your browser.